Hi friend, in this video I will tell you how you can participate Binance farming hard protocol. Binance Launchpool event is a good event. You can earn some money with this event. I will tell you step by step. First of all, uh, we click finance and then Binance earn, and then we will click Launchpool. Launchpool. Now there is two Launchpool event now. One of them is static Launchpool. I told this to you in the previous video, and now there's new uh, Launchpool event. This is hard protocol. Hard protocol. Hard is a new token. You can check that white papers in here. Different. This is my YouTube channel, and as you see, there is no any subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I need this. 1 second, please. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm recording video for you. I'm telling how you can earn money for nothing, how you can earn money more. Please just subscribe to here. I really need this. There is very low views in my video, so please like my video, make some comment and subscribe to my channel. I need your support. This is hard protocol white papers, the world first cross-chain money market. This page tells to you what is the hard protocol, how does the hard protocol work. Anyway, I will tell you Binance Launchpool, not white paper. Now this is BUSD protocol pool. Totally there is 600 million hard in this pool, and total BUSD staked amount is nearly 15 millions BUSD. I put nearly 200 BUSD. How I can earn? I will calculate it. Just delete. I will divide this to this. 200 divide 15 millions, and then this is for amount, and I will check the how much is for 1 days. I will divide 300 600 millions to the divide to 60, so it's nearly 20 millions. So I will multiply. I'm sorry. So this is my daily earned amount. I will earn 272 hard token for every day with this pool. I think it's a good rate. And if you want to take back your money to your spot account, just click redeem and write the amount which you want to take back, and here you will claim hard token daily, reverse daily. You can click here claim reverse. If you forget this claim reverse, 1 month later this amount of hard protocol token will automatically go to your spot account, and this is the same method, so don't worry. Sometimes you are asking how, if I forget my money in this pool, what will happen? There's not will be happen, no will be nothing will be happen. Just this money will go to your spot account automatically, so no worry. And you can stake BNB. Which one is better? First, Kawa it will be good analyzed yield rate, and then BNB, and then BUSD. Risky is important here. I put my money to certic pool, but now there is really low analyzed yield rate, so I took my money from this pool and I put my BUSD and BNB to the hard protocol token. Dear friends, this is my email, this is my Twitter account. You can ask me anything, you can follow me in this account, Monte crypto account. You can see this, and this is my Telegram channel. You can see the channel names here. You can ask me. I am admin in this group. Just click this MHA, just write to me, no worry. And really need your support in my channel. Dear friends, please 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 subscribe to my channel. And the third pool is Kava pool. You can stake Kava and you can earn nearly 100% analyzed yield. This is very good rate, dear friends. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like my video. Just click the like as see, and then you can make some comment. Sorry for my bad accent and pronunciation, my bad accents. Yeah, I'm sorry. And I need your subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Dear friend, all of this I hope you liked and you understand why I told. See you in the next video. Bye bye.